Hashtag DiaRey! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ray and this is Hashtag DiaRey! And yes, welcome back to my vlog. And this is a new episode of where Ray reacts. Okay? So, we'll call this segment as Ray reacts. Whatsoever na gusto kong i-reactan. So now, because as a proud kapuso, what I'll be doing is that I'm so happy for this girl, my friend, charot, kumaka-friend, no? She is a goddess, and he is knight and shining armor for me. So they are one of the beloved royal couples of the Kapuso Network, and I am so happy that finally they are now married, and they can call each other as, what do you call this one? Carla Angeline Abellana and Bartolome-Mott. Okay? Hello Tom, you're Alberto. I am also Alberto. So, baka naman magkapuso, magkano-ano. So, I'm so happy for you, kapuso. Baka naman, you are my long lost or far, charot, kadugo, diba? So, kasi Alberto ako, siya rin Alberto, and taga-Samar siya, sabi ng daddy ko, daddy, social! Sabi ng papa ko na meron kami mga kamag-anak sa Samar din, so, baka, diba? Baka nanalaitay sa amin ang dugong Alberto talaga. So, anyways, to cut that story short, I became fan of their relationship after, the phenomenal My Husband's Lover, Lali Vincent. Oh my gosh, finally, from being real to real. Oh my gosh, my heart is so happy. I can't contain my happiness last Saturday because finally they tied the knot. And oh my gosh, one of the royal couples of the network, Kapuso Network, is now officially base pa sa caption ni Tom sa Instagram, nabakura na niya. So that is so happy for us fans. And yeah, I'm speaking so long or talking so much about this intro. But anyways, what I'll be doing is I'll be reacting to their, what you call this one, the title of the video is Tom Rodriguez and Carla Abellana Wedding by Bob Nicolas. So this is the highlights of their wedding, and I can't contain my happiness kasi ilan lang yung mga clips na nakita ko from IG stories ni na ni na Vanessa, Ina, Valin, Rocco, Pancho, Casey, sino pa ba? Yung mga imbitado. So medyo nauhaw ako sa mga glimpse or clips, and I want to see kasi para siyang wedding of the year ng Kapuso fans or Kapuso family. Kaya masyadong mahaba-haba itong video nito. It's almost 10 minutes, but let's try to watch and enjoy the beautiful love story of Carla Angeline Abellana-Mott and Bartolome-Mott, the Mr. and Mrs. Mott pala. Anyways, let's do the reaction where Ray reacts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eto na! Ray reacts begins! My gosh, eto na! Ang ganda! Parang siyang excited ako makita si Carla.
Ako, i-focus nyo lahat sa kanya today. Oh, papaiyakin ko yun, promise.
Ang ganda ni Carla.
Hindi, kasi meron din ako mga surprise sa kanya. Like yung sa church.
Ang gwapo nito.
The cowboy hat of his dad, his late dad. Ilalagay ko sa tabi ng mom niya sa church. Tapos sa first dance namin, yun na, isa-surprise ko din siya. Hindi niya alam. Daddy niya yung kakanta sa screen na, wise men say, only fools rush. Iiyak yan! Iyak. Sasabayan siya.
Grabe si Carla. I'm a fan of Carla talaga.
On screen ko.
Since Rosalinda pa.
Hindi alam ito. I will make you cry today!
Happy ako na sila ni Marian, Megan, Heart, Jen, when ka Jen, charot. Ito na. may ad.
Bigyan ng laban ng katawan.
Ba't may ad?
Bigyan ng preschool trip.
Oh, ito na. Let's continue.
I can't imagine my life
Oh
without
my
you
gosh,
from here
tingnan
on.
nyo.
Because you've enriched my life in more ways than I can readily express. Like when Dad passed, I have to admit I lost my faith. I lost my way. But your boundless capacity for love was the road that led me back into his arms. I know Dad is with him now, but he would have loved to have been here. There he is.
Over 8 years ago, I prayed for you. But the thing is, back then, I didn't even know it was you I was praying for. I even completed Simbang Gabi, praying that I would finally meet the man who will love me unconditionally
Gawin ko talaga yung
and take
Carla.
very, very good care of me. While I completed that Simbang Gabi, I seriously never thought that the man I prayed for was already so close to me. That we had
Close na
already
sa akin,
crossed
di.
paths months prior. We even played husband and wife for work. I didn't even have to pray anymore because God had already answered my prayer in advance. What a plot twist. God was constantly knocking on my head screaming, "He's the one, ano ka ba? Dasal ka ng dasal, di ka naman nakikinig sa akin." Hello. Soon enough, it just hit me.
Ang
It
ganda.
really truly felt like my soul had found yours. And it went, "Oh,
Gosh, ang ganda ng
there you are.
message.
I've been looking all over for you."
Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng vows. Ang ganda.
Tom, you returned to the Philippines with practically nothing but the hopes of a new life and a new career. Little did you know that you came back here carrying the most valuable treasure. Someone here in the Philippines has been praying and waiting for your heart.
I love that sign of the cross, Tom. Ang ganda ni Carla sa gown niya. Tatay niya. It's very simple but full of love. Yung ganon. Nandun pala si Janice.
So here we are, in front of all of our loved ones. And truth be told, I need all of them here because I need to know that none of this is a dream. That this angel standing before me really is mine. And somehow, she loves me deeply and completely. Heaven must have
Pinagpapawisan si
never been the
Carla.
same the day that you came down and graced my life.
Oh, ang ganda. Iba ang primetime goddess. Ay, ang ganda niya. Ang cute. Gwapo nito. One of my ultimate crush talaga siya. Nandun pala si Sid? Si Ra. Nakita ko yung story ni Ra. Sa'yo wala si Alden. Ang ganda. Ay, yan! Nandun niya si Iya.
want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
I want to be there to help raise our children, mga apo, both humans and fur babies alike. Because I've often imagined what you would look like as a lola. Panigurado, magandang maganda, and I can't wait to find out for myself. Pero ngayon, dito muna tayo.
Masabi, naiiyak ako.
Dahil narinig ko ng iyong matamis na sagot.
Si Vicky Bello.
At excited na ako na finally, official na. Ako si Mr. at ikaw si Madam Mott. I love you.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away.
Ay, then.
You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it. Forever I will stay. I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
Ako din siguro, iyak talaga ako. Oh my gosh. This is a simple but happy wedding.
My vow to you as
Full
I
of
become your
love.
wife today is very simple. In fact, I vow not just to you, but also to your mom and most especially to your dad, Tito Bill. I will keep my promise to him during his final moments here on earth. That I will take good care of you so that he'll never have to worry.
Iyak na din ako.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away. You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it. Forever I will stay. I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
Wala na akong masabi. Iyak na lang ako. I love that kiss. How cute. Ang galing ng Bob Nicolas ha. In fairness talaga. Oh, ito na pala yung end. Ang galing. Wala akong masabi. It was full of love. My heart is so happy for the both of them. I really love Tom. I really love Carla. Since una ko napanood si Tom sa Here Comes the Bride. And oh my gosh, si Carla, Rosalinda, and nag-Illumina, Makapiling Kang Muli, ano pa ba, Parikoy. Tapos ito, finally, after 7 years, oh my gosh, it was an amazing love story, a journey of a beautiful love story. So, hopefully, I could find my own. Gusto ko rin yung kay Carla na sinabi niya na kinumpleto na niya. Pinipigilan ko umiyak. Ayoko umiyak. Ang pangit ko umiyak. My gosh. My gosh. Yung ano ko. It's so wala ako masabi. Tingin lang ako. Tingin dito kasi ako umiyak. My gosh. Ang ganda. That was so nice. So again, Carla and Tom, congratulations, my big congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Hopefully, hindi lang for babies ang meron kayo, kundi a little Carla and little Tom. I'm so excited na magkaroon kayo ng mga mini versions ninyo and oh my gosh. And guys, that's it for my vlog because I'm so clean and I'm so overwhelmed. And sobrang haba na ng vlog ko. Siguro pag i-edit ko to. So, ang dami lang ads. Nakakaano. But anyways, that is thank you, Bob Nicolas. Thank you, Tom and Carla, for sharing your beautiful love story to us, your fans. Tom Carr, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you, and we wish you well on your new chapters of your life, of your married life, and may God be the center of your life and of your marriage life. And I love you both, and continue to love and continue to inspire people to love and share the love to the people that really deserves your love. That's all, and thank you mga kapuso. And ako po si Ray, and namumula na ako. And this is Ray React sa #DiaRey. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe na rin mga saswang mga ka-diary. And see you soon, and God bless you all. Spread the love and love, love, love.